Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting update. It's time to dive headfirst into some thrilling news and tantalizing leaks surrounding the much-anticipated Samsung Unpacked event, where the curtains will rise on the dazzling Galaxy S24 series come January 17th. The excitement in the tech world is palpable, and leaks are already treating us to a mouth-watering sneak peek of what's on the horizon. Let's hone in on the latest leak, shall we? Feast your eyes on the S24 Ultra, resplendent in a striking gold hue, complete with a matching middle frame. While the front display remains shrouded in secrecy, it's the side view that's poised to steal the spotlight, boasting a brand new titanium frame. This frame promises the perfect marriage of robustness and a featherlight design, drawing comparisons to Apple's flagship models. Now, for those of you wondering if the S24 Ultra would part ways with its iconic curved display in favor of a flat one this year, let this leak quell your doubts. The display is unmistakably flat, ushering in a refreshing new look for the upcoming flagship. At this juncture, it almost feels like we've become insiders, privy to every little detail about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Don't forget to explore our all-encompassing leak roundup for the full dish on what's in store. The illustrious tipster, Ice Universe, has returned to the scene, gracing us with enlightening tweets that shed light on the S24's physical attributes. The latest tidbit spills the beans on symmetrical bezels and a diminutive, repositioned punch hole on the display. The anticipation is reaching a fever pitch as we eagerly await the kaleidoscope of colors that the Galaxy S24 series is poised to offer. Picture classic black, suave gray, vibrant violet, sunny yellow, lush green, deep blue, and eye-catching orange. And here's a little whisper from the rumor mill. There may even be some exclusive additions in the pipeline. Brace yourselves for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's pièce de résistance, the special golden edition, complete with a matching golden frame. While the Galaxy S23 Ultra and its siblings tantalized us with a diverse color palette, do keep in mind that market availability could influence the final color options. So, mark your calendars and stay glued to the Samsung Unpacked event. It's set to dazzle with a touch of gold. Are you positively giddy about these potential upgrades? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to show some love by hitting that like button if you found this video delightful, and hit the subscribe button for a steady stream of thrilling tech content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.